Question 11. An object starts at 3 meters per second and slows uniformly to rest over 10 meters. Find its acceleration. Let's list what we know. Initial velocity u is 3. Final velocity v is 0 because it stops. And the distance s is 10 meters. We have u, v, and s. And we want a. So we use the equation of motion v squared equals u squared plus 2as. Substitute the numbers. 0 equals 3 squared plus 2 times a times 10. 3 squared is 9, and 2 times 10 is 20. So 0 equals 9 plus 20a. Take 9 to the other side and divide by 20. A equals minus 9 over 20. That is minus 0.45 meters per second squared. The minus sign shows it is a deceleration. Well done.